Welcome to your Airbnb. If it has a smart lock, Yale in this circumstance, powered by August, here's how you use it. Touch the lock with 3 fingers to wake it. Enter the code that was given to you by your host, then the check mark. The lock will actuate, and the keypad will light back up when the lock's unlocked. Go ahead and enter, enjoy your stay. When you're ready to leave, you can close the door, and after 3 minutes, the lock will automatically lock. Or you can touch it with 3 fingers, and it will actuate the lock, light up, and you're all set. Enjoy your stay.